Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations, and in today's video we're going to be designing a full-size chip bag over on Canva. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be creating a Thanksgiving themed chip bag. I'm going to be working over in Canva. I'm going to be using my template that I created for Canva, and this is the template right here. I have pre-set up everything. That way when I get ready to make a design, I can just go in and start designing. If you're interested in the template, you can find the links in the description box down below. And when you purchase your template, you're going to receive a link that's going to take you directly to Canva to this template. Now the colors may be slightly different, but it is the same template. The template is broken down into sections. You can click on each section to change it. I have also included some extra nutritional facts labels in different colors and some different color barcodes for you all. If you scroll down, you're going to see a sample design giving you all some tips here. And here's another example. I'm showing you how you can add a photo. You will just simply add your photo and reshape it to fit your area. And I'm showing you how you can save your design when you finish. After you're done, you want to go up to the download tab here. You want to save it as a PDF file, or you can save it as an image. You either can delete all of the other pages that you don't need, or just select the page with your design on there and click done. And that's it. And this is a full-size chip bag, unlike in Cricut Design Space. So I'm gonna just create a design and come right back. Stay tuned. To get started, the first thing you want to do is head on over to the upload tab and upload all of your clip arts, backgrounds, and any photos that you want to use in your design. And if you have Canva Pro Edition, you can save all of your designs in different folders, which is what you see here. I created a fall folder and I saved all of my fall clip arts in that folder. But no worries, if you don't have the Prime Edition, you can find all of your uploads, all of the clip arts and things that you uploaded under the upload tab. Since I'm going to be making a Thanksgiving theme design, I went on over to Google and I did a quick Google search for a nutritional facts label that would match my theme, and you can do the same thing and just save it as an image and upload it to Canva. With my barcode, I'm just going to click on my barcode and I'm just going to crop out the happy birthday so that I can use it. And that's it, guys. So let's create our design and I'll be right back. was creating this design that I covered the white space here, which is fine. When I go to print this, I'm still going to have enough space left to put my bags together when I'm using my double-sided tape or hot glue. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Like if you scroll down here, you see I left some extra white space for gluing, but if you wanted to cover that, that is fine. You're still going to have enough room, because when you print this, it's still going to leave some extra white space on the sides and at the top. So if you wanted to cover it completely, you can absolutely do that. Alright guys, so once you finish with your design, we're going to head on over to our download tab. I'm going to save this as a PDF file. I'm going to select the page that my design is on, and I'm going to click done, and I'm going to click download. I also wanted to give y'all some tips when printing. Now, I recommend printing on the glossy photo paper or the brochure paper. But when you're printing on that photo paper or the brochure paper, with most printers, you have to go in and make sure your printers are on the right settings, or you're going to find that when you print this, the ink is going to be coming off. So I have an HP Envy, and that's the printer that I'm going to be using. When I go to print, I'm going to go on this tab here, and I'm going to change my paper type, should be set to photo paper, and my print quality needs to be set to best. Now when I have my printer on these settings, I have no problem with the ink coming off. Now your printer may be slightly different, so I would definitely recommend that you play around with the different settings to find the correct setting for your printer. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I hope you all found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. If you're interested in the clip arts that I use in this design, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. If you're interested in the template that I use, you can find that link in the description box down below also. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.